I caught your blog, no? Finidyo sa akin ng YouTube ko. This was about the Senate presidency. Are you not sure then that, not as sure as Senator Cheese Escudero that he will keep a
No,
hold?
I'm because that was tape several weeks ago. I think we have in the Senate. I think that the numbers are there for Senator Cheese Escudero. I don't think there will be a surprise because the only remaining votes out there are Lacson, Legarda, Soto, and Hontiveros. The Kiko BAM, they've come out clearly and they've already sent signals that they might, be with the majority. So if you have those numbers, I think current Senate President Escudero will remain. On the other hand, at the House,
Yeah, that was what I was gonna ask because you said it was a few weeks ago. So has anything changed from what you said in that video?
yes, I think there are 5 names that are being, discussed, and the these are Toby Chanco, Frasco, uh, Marcos Barba, Albi Benitez, and Martin Romualdez. Uh, Certainly, the signaling coming from the camp of Martin Romualdez are being measured. You saw him very active with the first termer during their training. There was an announcement in a tabloid of J.J. Suarez being appropriations head, and that caused some problems with the current members. So it's still
It's fluid, you're saying? It's not
very fluid.
in the bag.
Yes, it's still very fluid because
Interestingly, moving to another issue, if we may, your survey shows Risa Ontiveros as the most favored senator. What does this mean?
most favored again. Let me thank you for asking that. There were 12 names there, and the 12 names were those who did not seek re-election. We did not add 12 because there would be bias because of the recency of the election. Senator Hontiveros was also most favorable in Q1 of our Pahayag survey, which means she has been in the limelight. She has been doing a lot of inquiries in aid of legislation. She has been hammering on certain things and certain advocacies. So as far as the public is concerned, siya yung masipag, siya yung nakikitaan ng seryoso sa pagtatrabaho, siya yung nakikitaan na nag-aaral sa pagtatanong, kaya most favored. Makikita mo, nalampasan niya si Tulfo. Tulfo started out, very public-oriented, citizen-centric, but faded. So it was actually in the second quarter where Senator Hontiveros passed Senator Tulfo in terms of favorability.
Anong basa mo, Malu, doon sa, syempre pinag-uusapan na recently, no, kung sasama ba si Kiko at si Bam kay Senator Risa or iiwanan nila siyang mag-isa sa minority or sa opposition? What's your fearless forecast on that?
I think they will join the majority simply because they are first termers. Again, they are adjusting. They are coming in the last 3 years of the Marcos administration. Will they be minority? I doubt very much because I think the plan, as we have seen in the results of the campaign, is to build the center, to build a base where there are enough, multicolors in terms of building the party moving forward for 2028.
To widen their base.
Yes,
Yeah.
base.
So it's always intriguing talking to you. Malu, we thank you for your time. That was
Salamat.
political strategist Malu Tiquia.